guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I have here. It is the August Glitz Glam box. And yeah, I'm gonna do a little quick tutorial for you guys. I know everyone's like, you don't do tutorials anymore. It's like, girl, I don't have time. But first, you guys know what to do. You know you want to press it. There's a button down there. It says subscribe, and just press it. Just press it and subscribe. Guys, this box is so cute this month. I've like been gagging to show you guys you know what all's inside. So it's another palette. I just want to take a second and ask what other beauty box gives out palettes almost every single month. It's not some of them. No, it's not some of them. Not a lot. But Glitz Glam Box does. So yeah, guys, I want to show you this palette, and I'm like, it's giving me such life. It's so cute. It comes with a little sleeve, and it's by our friends over at Yes Glitters. Yes, and you can see here, I just dinged it right here with my claws, but yeah, you can see this is just everything. Like, it's everything. It's so cute. I thought it was perfect for like the end of summer, going into fall. So guys, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna carve out my brows though. I did this new thing, like, okay, a lot of people are like, oh, you should do your foundation first, like before you, I'm sweating already, do your foundation first before you do your brows. But I always like, you know, do my brows first. So I was like, oh, let me try it. Let me do my foundation first. So I did my foundation first, and then I did my brows. So I'm gonna just like carve them out. So I have like a base on my lid for the eyeshadow. Even I always do that you know, when I do eyeshadow, just so it's like all the same color. By the way, guys, I'm using natural lighting today. I have never, not one time in my life, filmed a tutorial with natural lighting, because I never film during the day. But it's like, I think it's like 11 o'clock in the morning, and I was like, I think this is bright enough. But you know, usually I have my lights on full blown, you know, the full enchilada. I'm gonna go through and use some of the colors that I'm like really drawn to, which is like these iridescent-y blues. I'm like, oh my god, this gray, blue gray is like, oh my god. Like, I mean, the blue glitter is like, girl. We love Yes Glitters. They come up with really cute stuff. They have a lot of really cute stuff. They're really sweet over there. So I'm gonna start with just a fluffy crease brush. Messy chips right here. So this is like a kind of the closest to my skin tone. Oh, actually it might be my actual skin tone. Cool. Yeah, and I'm just like, I like to start with like a color like that in my crease. And kind of just build it up. Oh, you know what? I actually already did my foundation. I'm not scared of fallout, but if you are scared of fallout, what you can do is bake. So let me bake really quickly.
White also, so that has me looking like.
This is just for demonstration purposes. So, okay. So we have that in the crease. Should I zoom in? I kind of didn't want to because I have a mustache, but you know, it's real life and I need to do my brows. So yeah. So now we're going to take the warmer shade. I keep trying to call this kangaroo, but it's cankamungus. Right here. We're going to take that and then just put that on top also. And I did not contour my nose. I'm like, oh my, this has so much pigment. Oh my god. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Oh my god. This is like totally warm tone now. Oh my god, the pigment is like, girl, did not come to play with the pigment. Okay, yes, glitters. Okay, yes. Wow. Okay, and then on top of that, I'm gonna put the darkest color, iced coffee, here. Same brush. Just gonna take it and put it kind of on top at the corner. I'll start at the corner and blend it like this. And there's a little fallout right here, but I mean, I'm blending like a psycho, so I mean, if you were a little neater, you probably could have no fallout, but we ain't got time for that over here, okay? We got things to do. It's Saturday, okay? And I'm burning hot, so we need to get this look done, okay? What are we doing? Yes. Okay. Okay, Fantasy palette. Well, I already knew it was a good palette. I was like, this is cute. This is cute. Okay. Next, we're going to take the brush featured in the box this month from Dainty Cosmetics. And this is a shader brush. And I'm just going to take this Charmed here. It's like a purpley kind of iridescent-y kind of color. And let me just swatch it. Come on, Fantasy palette. Okay, come on, Fantasy. You know, usually I'll put a light color on my lid, like I would go for the obviously the gold or the shimmer silver, but I want to try this. We want to try this, and we are not disappointed. Look at this. Yes, and that's Charmed. Yes, Charmed. Yes. So I just put that on the lid there. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. I'm like so into this look. I can barely pretty. It's very like fall vibes. Like, come on, First Stole. Come on, leather gloves. Faux leather. Yes. Okay, guys. So who saw Handmaid's Tale? I was like, June, get on that plane, because I'm tired of June being in Gilead, and she's still there. I'm done. I'm done. I'm so done. Where's Hannah? Where is Hannah? Like, oh my god. Sorry if you don't watch Handmaid's Tale. I'm just like, I was bawling my eyes out in the finale. I'm just like, all them damn kids, and where's Hannah? But I mean, I'm happy all the kids got out. I saw a couple chocolate chips in there too. I'm like, oh, they got some good black kids out. But yeah, that's crazy. And then Serena, they had a relationship. I'm like, what? They had a relationship? Really? While she was under lock and key, she had a relationship? They had a relationship. Bitch, bye, Serena, toodaloo. She needs to rot in jail. Because I went back and forth with like, you know, Serena, like, she's kind of being semi-good. Like, and when she said that mess, called her Offred, girl, let her rot, okay? Inner corner, I'm going to do this one here. The lightest color we have, Blades. Yeah, I was like, no, she needs to burn. She needs to burn for that. For that comment alone, she needs to burn. Oof, that is so bright. Oh my god, that's a little brighter than I wanted, but that's okay. Woo! Ooh, that's bright. Okay. Okay. That's alright. That's alright. Sometimes, you know, a look starts one way and it starts to, you know, go a different way. That's okay. And then, you know, I gotta take some of this Cinderella here. This pressed Cinderella, and just, I don't want it to cover the purple. So I'm just literally putting it right in the center. I just put it on my finger and just tap a little tiny bit in the center. Just, you know, just because we don't do basic. We don't do basic over here, so just because. There we go. So you can see it's just like literally the slightest pop of glitter. I mean, you know, normally I'll put it all over the lid, but I'm like, let me just put it in the center. And then I'm just gonna do mascara and lashes off camera so I can keep the video time down. Okay guys, so I did add the wispies on. These are super natural looking. Yeah, and they're very like whimsical, and I just like love the name wispies. So we're gonna just finish the eyes here. I'm gonna take the shader brush that we featured in this box, and I'm just gonna go with the purple and go underneath, dust it off, go underneath my lash line here, just to kind of tie it all together. You can use the brown or the red. Honestly, any color you used up top, you can use under the lash line. And here we go. Be careful. be careful. Don't be so reckless like me. I'm just pinching my lash a little bit. So yeah, so there we go. And then I'm gonna just dust off the extra setting powder. And just dust that off. Oh, this. Okay, I'm gonna use this NYX liquid lingerie, lip lingerie, because wait till you guys see it. It's like, oh my god, it's like. Hold on. Hold please. I wore this in Vegas and people thought it was a it was everything. Alright, so here's the finished look, guys. I'll let you see the eyes. I think they came out so cute. Of course I have bangs. I shouldn't have wore bangs. I haven't had bangs in years and years and years and years and years. But anyway, so here's the final look with the Fantasy palette from this month. So I created this look with the August Glitz Glam box. Guys, watch the unboxing. I'm going to post that as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to Glitz Glambox. It's $15 a month. We try to offer a lot of different varieties of makeup. We love featuring palettes from indie brands and upcoming brands. And should I give a spoiler for those of you who hung in till the end of the video? Let's see. For September, I'm gonna get in so much trouble. We're featuring 2 palette variations from Glam Light, and it's something edible. Okay? It's a palette themed after something edible. And there's 2 different variations, okay? So stay tuned to your email, everyone. There is going to be an option to get both variations in your Glitz Glam box. You're going to want to go on the site and order the double the glam option. It's going to be over, I think it's like over a $50 retail value if you order double the glam. So more on that to come. I'm going to get in so much trouble. Don't tell anyone, guys. But anyway, I was so excited. I had to, y'all know I have to give out spoilers. This is my life, Glitz Glam Box is my life. So I just love giving out spoilers for all of our faithful followers and subscribers. But yeah, you're gonna want to subscribe. It's gonna sell out. It's as soon as I post what's in the box, it's gonna sell out. So I would suggest subscribing sooner rather than later. Don't come for me with the I wish you guys would have posted spoilers and I didn't know this was gonna sell out. And I see it all. I see all the emails, okay? Don't come for me, y'all. Don't come for me, because you were warned, all right? It's going to be a phenomenal box. A phenomenal box. But that's September. It's almost the end of August now, so you got a couple more weeks to get it together and subscribe if you haven't already. So, until the next video, guys. Bye.